Introducing the ultimate all-in-one business services online booking software, fully customizable and AI-powered to support you at every step. Our AI-powered online booking engine matches your business services and real-time availability to the right clients 24/7. Our business services booking software delivers instant, AI-powered, multilingual support in 25 languages, resolving most queries in real time 24/7. Join leading teams on a trusted business services booking platform with built-in compliance and enterprise-grade security. Share your client app link and let customers self-book business services, pay online, and order 24/7 from anywhere. Identify your most valuable business services clients with advanced analytics. Then, launch memberships and targeted campaigns to drive retention and revenue. With our business services booking software, manage all bookings, group sessions, and notifications from a single dashboard, saving time while maintaining full visibility. Centralize schedules, resources, and locations in one dashboard to reduce errors and keep every booking precisely on schedule. Manage your business services bookings from anywhere on any device and enjoy a seamless experience across web and mobile apps. Our business services booking software seamlessly automates confirmations, reminders, and inquiries, delivering them to the right clients and staff at the right time. Maximize revenue with a dynamic pricing engine and your business services booking software that automatically adjusts rates by time of day, seasonality, demand, and customer segments. Data-driven analytics and robust integrations in our business services booking software deliver real-time insights for smarter decisions. Start free today and customize our business services booking software to your needs and growth. More details and the sign-up link are in the description below.